Greetings, East Central students and parents. In this video, we're going to walk through the process for accessing Google Classroom on an iOS device, an iPad, an iPhone, or an iPod. The first thing that you're going to need to do is install the Google Classroom app. Open the App Store app and search for Google Classroom. Then you're going to install it on your device. I've already installed Google Classroom on my device, so I'm going to leave the App Store and open the folder where I have the app stored. You're also going to need to install a few other apps: Google Docs, Google Sheets, and Google Slides. This will allow the student to edit documents that are shared with them by the teacher. Now let's log into Google Classroom. Click the app to open it, and you'll be prompted to log in with the student email address. The student's teacher should have provided this information. As you're typing the email address, you're going to notice that the end of the email address is a little different than teacher emails. Student emails end with ecisdst.net. That's because they are part of the district student domain. Once you've entered the email address, you're going to click the Next button, and then you'll be prompted to enter the student's email password. This will also have been given to you by the student's teacher. Once you've entered the password, you'll hit the Next button, and you will be taken into Google Classroom. Google Classroom will open on what is called the Classes page. You will see a banner for each class that the student is part of. If the teacher has sent an invitation to the student to join Google Classroom, you will see the banner and you'll see a Join button. If the teacher has given the student a code to join their Google Classroom, then the student will need to click on the plus sign in the lower right-hand corner of the screen, and then they will be prompted to enter the class code that the teacher gave them. In this instance, the student was invited, so we're going to click the Join button and we'll be taken into the Google Classroom. When Google Classroom opens, you're going to land on what is called the Stream page. This is a timeline of everything that happens in the Google Classroom. The student will be able to see any announcements that the teacher has posted, as well as any new materials that have been posted, new assignments, etc. The Stream page functions like a Facebook stream. It has the most recent events posted at the top, and then the older events are populated further down the stream. The next page in Google Classroom is the Classwork page. You'll see the tabs across the bottom. The Classwork page is where the work is going to happen in Google Classroom. The teacher will be posting information, resources, and assignments. Simply click on an item to open it, and then you will be able to see the information that it contains, as well as open any attachments simply by clicking on the attachment. You close out the attachment by clicking the X, and then use the back arrow to go back to Google Classroom. Please contact your campus help desk if you need further assistance.